Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon and welcome back. I make content every single day based around video production and making money online, tutorials, business, so if that's something you're interested in, then please consider subscribing. But as the title says, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your voice in Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see I am on Premiere Pro right now. So just before we actually start recording, I'm actually going to show you how to even get this option on Premiere Pro. So if you don't have this, so what we want to do is right click, customize, and then you can, well, there's a button editor as you can see right there, and obviously you'll see the voiceover record button. Just drag that onto there, and that, well, you've got the option basically. Now, but I just removed it from Jesus. Let me just, there we are. Let me drag it back there. Bang. Stop trolling me, Premiere. It's not funny anymore. There we are. So there's that. Now, in case this option isn't, like, you know, turning on or anything, what you want to do is go to Preferences, Audio, Hardware. Then your default input should be your microphone, so choose whatever you want. Obviously, I'm going to go with my USB microphone because that's what I use. And just click OK. And now, to record, simply just press the record button. Here's it go. Yeah. This is basically it. That's basically how you do it. Okay guys, so that's how you record audio in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. If this video is of any help to you, then please consider subscribing for more. Leave a like and share as well to boost the video and the algorithm. And leave any questions you may have in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in an upcoming video. Take care everyone.